I got something in my eye. I can't scratch my eye. Hello and welcome to another video. I got LASIK on my teeth. It's a great start. So today's look is my go-to, my fave, my everything, my soulmate. It's pink and glowy and glittery and just adorable. Look at it. I love it so much. So there you go. Enjoy. Alrighty. Should have thought about what I wanted to do before I pressed record, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go pink because when in doubt, pink. So we're gonna start with the face. For foundation, I'm using MAC Face and Body as per usual. And yes, there are noises outside. What can I do? Conceal Don't Feel with Collection Lasting Perfection. To set the eyes, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. Look at that. For the rest of my face, I'm using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and this Morphe E41 brush. For blush, I'm using this MAC Desert Rose and Morphe E4. And then for highlight, I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle and a Morphe R10. And I'm using like a lot. Can you, if I break my neck, can you see it? I always like to blend in my highlight with the blush so that it's not too, I mean it's too much, but it's not too much. Brows. Brushy, brushy. Did I leave it? No. Okay, somewhere in here. I'll find you. By the way, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. Little brushy. Now for the eyes, I'm using this Bobbi Brown, what are you called? Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. This is like Lazy Makeup 101. Boom. Kind of blend it out with your finger. Oh, this is in the shade Golden Pink. Did I say it? It's in the shade Golden Pink. Ta-da! Now with that as a base, I'm using this Colourpop, I can't say, Super Shock Shadow in the shade Frog. It's a very glittery pink. I don't know what kind of frogs they were looking at, but it's like really sparkly. I'm putting that pretty much all over the lid, pretty high in the crease as well. Look at all that sparkle. See, this looks kind of cute, you know, so romantic and flirty, and then just when the light hits you the right way, you're like, wapow! I don't know if you can see that, but it's very wapow, okay? Just take my word for it. Gonna do mascara and call it a day. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational. For the lips, I'm using MAC Subculture Lip Liner. You don't have to do this. I like to line my lips because I feel like it looks nicer. I never used to do it, and then I turned 30, so you know, things happened, but that's fine. And for like my main color, I'm using this MAC lipstick in the shade Angel. I want to say Angel. It's kind of pink and shiny because, you know, that's where we're going with this. There you go. So this is the final look. My lips are really dry. I mean, so dry. That's fine. The drilling outside is just never ending, but that's okay. Alrighty. Glowy and pink and sparkling. This is everything I love. I love pink. Can I say? And now there's a bus. If you want to make videos, maybe just don't live in London. You know, I'm just saying. Can you see this shadow? I cannot with the shadow. I'm so good at showing. I'm such a beauty girl. Look at me. Bye.